Do you want to buy shares in Ghana, or do you have plans of becoming a shareholder in Ghana? This video is definitely for you. Do not switch from this video until you watch the end. Now, for the last 6 months, I've been talking about various kinds of investments in Ghana. And one of the questions that I've been getting through my DM and the comment section is that, Patrick, we want you to do a video on shares. So today, I want to talk about shares. What is a share? A share basically it means that you are a part owner of a company, or you are someone that has injected money into a company. So you are being paid what you call dividends at the end of a year when the company makes profit, or if the share price goes up, you also increase your wealth in that company. So that's what a share basically means. Usually companies raise money for projects that they want to undertake as a business through two main ways. They either go for a loan from a bank, or they go for what you call equity, that is trying to get new shareholders to come into the business. So today we want to focus on the second part, which is the shares, how to become a shareholder. What are the processes if you want to become a shareholder, whether you are in Ghana or outside Ghana? The first step, or step one, is that you need to open what you call a brokerage account. A brokerage account is basically like going to a bank, any bank in Ghana, and asking them that you want to open an account with them. So in the area of shares, opening an account is what you call the brokerage account. Now, there are licensed stockbrokers in Ghana who are able to do that for you. So after the video, you can just go to Google, just type in licensed stockbrokers in Ghana, and you see a number of stockbrokers that have been licensed for you to deal with. Once you open that account with a stockbroker, the second part, which is step 2, is that you need to fund that brokerage account. You can fund that account online by moving the money from your account, your bank account, into the brokerage account, or you can go to the stockbroker and deposit the money in that brokerage account. So that is step 2. So you've opened the account, you funded the account. The third one is that you need to now look for the shares that you want to buy. You can get the broker to assist you to locate the companies that are selling shares, or individuals in the companies that are selling shares. Then you buy it with them. Now, if you are buying it, you can either buy it, move it, just as you do with your account, move the money from your brokerage account into the company's account, and your broker will assist you to do that once you spot out the company that you want to buy the shares from. The next thing beyond buying the shares is that you need to monitor the progress. So there are trading platforms that you can sign up through the broker to be able to monitor how the share is performing. Along the line, if you see that the share is not performing that well and you want to sell the shares, you have the opportunity to be able to do that. And if you also want to buy more shares, once you are monitoring, you'll be able to know the shares that are available for you to buy. So that's the process of buying a share in Ghana. First, you open a brokerage account, you fund it, then now you work through your broker to be able to identify companies that are selling shares. Sometimes you can go to the website of Ghana Stock Exchange to know the companies that are floating shares or are selling shares, then you'll be able to buy it. So that's the process. And if you want to buy a shares, for me, a share is a long-term investment. It's not like a treasury bill or fixed deposit, or buying dollars that overnight you get returns. Buying shares is a long-term project, so sometimes it can be 5 years, 10 years. You'll be able to build up your funds. People have bought shares and are now wealthy because every year they are earning so much by way of dividends from the company. So if you want to buy shares, this is the process that you have to go through to be able to buy the shares in Ghana. If you want further details, you can DM me or follow this channel. I will come your way with another educative session on shares in subsequent bulletin. You can also check up on what we do on YouTube. So you can go to YouTube and type in Patrick TV GH, and you see more than 70 videos on other forms of investment.